For an easy dinner to prepare that is delicious and the whole family will love, broccoli and potatoes is your best choice. Let me teach you how easy it is to put this one-pan meal together. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. Ciao my friends, welcome to my kitchen. This is where I teach you easy recipes for everyday cooking, and today is a super easy recipe. We want to start with some potatoes. I've sliced them about 1/4 inch thick. I let them sit in some water just so that they can just release some of the starches, and then I just set that aside. I also have a pot of water that I've heated up. I've added about 1 tablespoon of salt to, and to that I'm going to add broccoli. And I've just cut up the broccoli in little florets, or you can already buy it broken up. I know Costco carries the bags of the broccoli florets only. And so we want to put this in our pot, and we want to cook it. And we just want to cook this for about 2 minutes. This is just going to help keep the green nice and green when we bake it. We also want our oven set for 350 degrees. Now that we have our potatoes that we've drained and the starches have released, we want to place them in our baking dish. I'm doing a 9 by 13 here. Now you can easily double this recipe or divide it in half depending how many people you're feeding. And let's just go ahead and set that aside. Now we need to prepare the filling that's going to bind everything. So to that we want to add 4 eggs. We want to add some garlic. We want to add some green onions that have been sliced. We want to add some Parmesan cheese. We want to add about 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. To that we want to add some salt, a little fresh cracked pepper, and some milk. Now you can add any kind of milk that you like. And we just want to whisk all that up. Okay, so now our broccoli has cooked for about 2 minutes, so let's go ahead and strain that. Now to that we just want to add the broccoli on top of our potatoes. Just evenly kind of spread them around. We want to add our mixture, and we just want to make sure everything is just kind of evenly spread here. Now we're going to add some mozzarella cheese, and you can add however much cheese. If you just want a little bit, just do a little, but I'm going to add plenty to cover the top here. I like a lot of cheese, so. Now we do want to cover this with foil, but before we do that, because there's cheese on here, the cheese will stick to the foil. So what I like to do is I just add a little bit of olive oil on my foil, and then with the pastry brush, I just brush that oil all over evenly, and that'll just help the cheese not stick to it. Now if you have oil in an aerosol can, you could just spray it. I don't have that, so I just use the olive oil and the pastry brush. Now we just want to cover that, and we want to bake this for about an hour. And then before we finish baking, I'll show you how to finish it off. And so we're going to place this in an oven at 350 degrees. After about an hour, we want to go ahead and remove the foil, place back in the oven on broil for about 5-10 minutes until the top is golden brown. All right, so you can see that beautiful golden brown top in our broccoli and potato casserole. It is absolutely delicious. I hope you give this one a try. I have some more great recipes over here on some side dishes. I'm Chef Lucia, and I'll see ya. Ciao.